Warriors and mortals alike, I am Kratos. My life has been a tumultuous journey filled with battles and sacrifices. Today I share with you the wisdom I've gathered about achieving a work-life balance, a harmony amidst chaos. Balancing the demands of our work and personal lives can feel like navigating treacherous waters. For the longest time, I immersed myself solely in the pursuit of my quests, neglecting the moments of solace and connections that brought me joy. I discovered that true strength lies not only in the battles fought, but also in the moments of rest and rejuvenation. It's about allocating time and energy to nurture the soul outside the realms of duty. To achieve balance, one must first define their priorities. Understand what matters most to you, be it your ambitions, relationships, or personal well-being. Nurture connections and cherish moments with loved ones. These moments of respite fuel our spirits, fortify our resolve, and remind us of what we fight for. However, balance doesn't mean equal distribution. It's about recognizing when to immerse ourselves in our responsibilities and when to step back for rejuvenation. Achieving balance is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, self-awareness, and the courage to set boundaries. Remember, a well-rested warrior fights more fiercely than an exhausted one. Strive for balance, for in it lies strength and fulfillment.